Hello to current and new listeners. We are releasing this short mini episode just to let you know that we are rebranding our podcast. As mental health professionals who aim to provide current and useful mental health support and education for those who work in healthcare, we felt that our name could be excluding parts of the healthcare community and might be confusing in terms of what kind of content we are providing. We are moving to It's a Code U, mental health support for those working in healthcare. It's a Code U has the same target audience, anyone who works in the field of healthcare. Whether you work as an executive, you provide facilities support, you're in marketing, or you're a nurse on the floor, there's something here for everyone. We plan to look at mental health through the unique lens of healthcare workers. We hope you will join us and share with your colleagues.